What is going on, you guys? This is Chris the Creator, and right now we are going to be doing an unboxing of this NOCO lithium battery, the NLP5. This is a 12-volt battery. It is to replace the battery that is in my Honda Ruckus. That battery has died, so now I got to replace it. I went to Walmart and picked this guy up. You guys can pick one of these up at your local Walmart. So with this NOCO battery, as you can see right here on the packaging, it does have a 5-year warranty. So I'm gonna definitely make sure that I utilize that warranty. So if anything happens with this battery, I can return it and get a replacement within 5 years. That's pretty cool. Check out this little honeycomb effect right here. It's like cut out of the box. We're gonna go ahead and slide this guy off. Yes, I do got the NOCO boost back there. This is the GB40. This thing definitely comes in handy as a lifesaver. Looking to see how I open this box up. There we go. So opens up on the side right here. It looks like a little battery riser, as you can see right here. We got the battery itself, super light. There's a riser on it. Pretty small little guy right here. This is a small little battery. Do not dispose with lead acid batteries. Lithium battery. The NOCO graphic on the side. NOCO lithium right there. We got the product description, the model and everything. Lastly, in the box we have the manual. Of course, everything comes with a manual. Let me go ahead and get my multimeter and let's see what voltage this thing has coming straight out the box. Put one up over here like so. Put one on the negative. 12.85 is what it's showing me. Alright, you guys, so I didn't film myself installing this, but what I did was just doing like some test fitting to see how I would want to install this in my Ruckus. But I got the battery tender right here connected to the negative and positive ports. So let's go ahead and hit the power button. Alright, so as you see, the NOCO boost is acting as if it's like jump starting our battery. Okay, let's turn that off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright you guys, so we are back here with the Honda Ruckus. And I got the NOCO installed right here. Excuse the audio, it's kind of windy outside, but I wanted to do this outside so everybody can see it. I did have to like do some manipulation to some of the holes, like so for the green ground wire right here. I did have to make the opening a little bit bigger so that way it can fit the little gold color bolts for the NOCO. This one side was more trickier because with the fuse box, it doesn't sit on the NOCO right or properly. So what I did was like the bolt that comes in the center of the NOCO, I put that right there. I basically just swapped the screws. So this center screw that was here, I put it over here. The screw that was over here, I put it right in the center. So far so good, it is working properly. As you can see too, I also got this NOCO cord right here leading up to the top, and this NOCO cord can connect to the NOCO Boost Plus right here. So if I ever need to really like jump start the scooter, I can by using this cord right here that I hardwired in. As you can see, it's this thicker cord. I don't know why NOCO uses such a thick cord, but that's just what they do. I got my multimeter, so I'm gonna go ahead and test out, see what the voltage is at now that I've ridden it for a while. I'm gonna get those readings and put my cover back on, and I'm gonna keep on riding, you guys. This has been Chris the Creator, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.